I'm Sabrina. I'm a sophomore in course 1, and this is overscheduled. So if you don't remember, the goal of this project was to create a scheduling tool, sort of like Picker or Planner, that would help you find classes that fit into the open spots in your schedule. So for the end product, you would input the classes you've already chosen, and overscheduled would give you back a list of classes that you could also take. There are 3 main components to overscheduled, 1 JavaScript file and 2 Python files. So the first JavaScript file downloads the course catalog. It consists of the first 5 exercises from homework 4, and it downloads every page of the course catalog individually and then concatenates them into one text file. Next is the backend Python file. So this file uses the text document downloaded by JavaScript and pulls out relevant information about courses, including their numbers, names, and times that they're offered. In addition to the text document, this code requires user input to run. So this is where the user interface comes in. This allows the user to input the classes that they're taking, as well as select the class times they prefer, and to narrow down what course they're looking to take classes in. So I want to take a mechanical engineering class, I can input course 2. So here's the first example of the program running. First, I input the classes that I've already decided to take, and when applicable, the time at which I'd prefer to take the classes. Next, the user is prompted to input the course in which they're looking to add a class. So here I put in 21L, and you'll see that I was given a list of classes in course 21L that fit into my existing schedule. In this next example, the classes I choose only have one time at which they're offered. I did this for ease of checking that the outputs from overscheduled actually fit into the existing schedule. This time, I chose to have classes suggested from course 2. So now I'll move over to a new scheduling website that was put up this year called Firehose to check that the outputs from the program really do fit into the schedule. So here you can see that each one I check does, and so I have reason to believe that the program is suggesting courses correctly. So there are some risks and shortcomings of overscheduled. So the first is that the UI could be more friendly on both the front and back end. It was done quickly and with little experience, so the windows don't resize, and it doesn't allow you to add one class at a time. Additionally, when the program suggests classes, if the class is offered at multiple times, it assumes the first offered time in the listing. So there might be a version of the class that fits into your schedule, but the program doesn't recognize that. A large portion of the work on this project, however, went into reading the course catalog, which is not very standardized, and so I was able to put the course catalog into a very standardized format of course number, title, and time, and this could be really useful to other people doing programs with the course catalog in the future. Thanks for listening, and I hope you think this could be a useful tool with some further improvements.